Okay, this is a video response to you know who. Checking out, this is our 46 Hudson pickup truck. Old blue. Just started her up on this here 30-degree morning weather. As you can see, it was a golden anniversary in 1996. And originally this truck was a tombstone hauler for a graveyard. We've owned it for probably 30 years now. And it's been used in TV commercials and movies. Most recent thing was Cyndi Lauper new video called Shine. I don't know if anybody's seen it, but you see the truck with Cyndi Lauper and her band. And this is the big 232. This is a later Hudson motor in here, like from a 1950. The original truck motor was a little smaller, but it does its purpose. It's been around, it's been driven. It's got brush painted Red Devil enamel on it. It's faded now. It's been painted about 3 times. And this is a one-of-a-kind custom side mount here that Dad put on there. The truck spare is supposed to be in the back. The earlier Hudson Terraplane pickups had the spare there like that. So he got the idea straight from Hudson. As you can see, I haul junk around with it. And the interior is not much to talk about either, but let me show you a before picture when it was first picked up. That's what it looked like before we did our quick restoration to it. About, like I said, I think we own it at least 30 years now. And here's a more recent picture from a fresh paint job with the brush. You can see it was shining there. So, post your comments. A lot of people didn't know Hudson made a pickup truck. I get into arguments a lot at car shows, so I have to carry a brochure, because as you can see, it is actually a car, just like the El Camino and the Rancheros. And a lot of people don't know Hudson made pickups. This is a 2-year truck, 46, 47, and then they ceased because they went to the step-down models of the Hudson. So, now you have your little Hudson history lesson. Let me give it a quick start, and maybe later I'll get a video of driving it so you can see. Little turn of the key. Don't even have to touch the gas pedal. Got a little thrush muffler on it, gives it a little rumble you can hear.